Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
I am Yudhvir from class 9B.
And I am here from class 9C.
We are from Ramjas International School, R.K. Puram. Greetings to all. I warmly welcome everyone to the scientific demonstration of one of the most important and interesting topics in this fascinating world of science, buoyancy. I, Yudhvir,
And I am here.
feel extremely happy and humble to have been organizing this presentation. Here, we have a simple and basic setup to manifest buoyancy phenomena practically.
Yudhvir, don't you think we should go learn a bit basic about buoyancy?
Of course, let me do the needful. Buoyancy is a tendency of any object to float in a fluid. All gases and liquids in the presence of gravity exerts an upward vertical force on any immersed object in it. Buoyancy results from the differences in pressure acting on opposite sides on any immersed object in a static fluid. Static here means that fluids without any kinetic energy. Moving fluids are associated with different means to make objects float. An object whose density is greater than that of the fluid tends to sink. If the object is either denser or is shaped properly, it tends to float on the fluid. As of now, I believe that we all are now clear on the concept, on the basic concept. Thus, we now move on to the practical demonstration of buoyancy in hopes that it will be easily and enough for us to understand the basic concept. Over to Mihir.
So here we can see we have a container, and now I am using some seeds in this container. As you can see, some seeds are floating while others sink down. This sinking and floating is because of buoyancy force. These seeds have displaced the water enough that it resists its force and experience an upward force. These seeds which are sink down have higher density as compared to water, therefore it has sink down. These seeds which are floating have lower density as compared to seeds which are sink down. Over to you, Dvir.
Now let's talk about the Archimedes principle. The Archimedes principle states that the buoyant force in a fluid is equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by it when an object is immersed. Now over to Mihir for the practical manifestation of the Archimedes principle.
So now let me show you practical of buoyancy. Here we have taken a weighing machine, two beakers and an object that could easily sink down. As you can see, the readings of this weighing machine is 0. Now I'll splash this object into water so that it gives out some water. Now as you can see, the reading is estimated around 40. So what we will do is, we will now put these readings into a formula which is weight is equal to mg. G here is 9.8, or we can take G as 10. So we will estimate it around 40 because some of the water is splashed here and here. So 40 will be converted into kg, so that will be 0.040. 0.040 into 10 is 0.40. So that will be the buoyance force against this object released by this water. This also states Archimedes' principle, which was the buoyance force is equal to the force applied by water on the object.
As we come to the conclusion, I thank you all for the great time.
Thank you.